Well, good afternoon, everybody. Here we are at the World Championships, and we'll just get a quick rundown. Here comes the first contestant of the day.
Hello.
Zane Venables, decked out in his sports gear. His opponent today, Kobe Venables. Kobe all the way from Benora Point, previously Queensland champion, and now vying for national honours. Okay, Zane, when you're ready. Oh, the first tag's gone and he's all good. Now the helmet moves to the other contestant. This is Kobe. Kobe's about to stretch in now, and what was that? Skip a turn. It's back to Zane. Zane spin will say, what will it say, Zane?
Oh, that's always good. Pull 2 pins.
It says pull 2 pins. There's one.
That's 2.
There's 2. He's made it through unscathed. That's only leaving 5 pins left. Kobe's turn.
Don't. What is it? Pull 2.
Pull 2 pins. There's one. Oh, and it's gone. Kobe's all over. Zane, the Australian national champion, takes it today.
Says